Ooh, should I do my eyebrows? I can't comb through it. It's giving boo. Well, how long you gonna grow it out? Yada, yada, yada. Wow, your girl really got hang time. Y'all, I don't ever know how to start my videos no more. So we just gonna say, hey, welcome back. It's me, D Wood. Y'all see the title. I know I said I was growing my hair out, but if you are a short-haired girl, or if you know me, or if you've been around the channel for a minute, you know I can't let my hair get too long. I've been growing my hair out for 3 months, and I already feel like it's a lot. So we cutting it off, and I'ma relax it. I look real dry and crispy. It's giving I just woke up, which I literally just woke up. So nothing on my lips, nothing nowhere, okay? Let's just go ahead and get into it, girl. I've done this before. One time before during quarantine, my hair was a little bit longer than this right now. I don't really want to do too much talking because I feel like I'm going to talk myself out of this. So let's just go ahead and do it. I'm about to cut off this blonde hair, and y'all about to watch me transform right in front of y'all's eyes because first of all, take a picture. Take a screenshot of what I look like right now. Dry, hands are dry, just looking crazy. We about to do a whole 360, okay? Oh, God. Y'all, I can't even comb through this mess. What in the world? Okay. That should make it a little bit easier. Oh, my God. Y'all, I can't comb through it. I literally don't even know where to start. This is a mess. I can't comb through it. Barely get out. Look how much hair is in there. Oh my gosh. This is 3 months of growth. What have I gotten myself into? I'm trying to be gentle. I'm trying to be nice to my hair. I'm trying to feed it positive thoughts. This is why I don't like a lot of hair on my head, because these are the problems that we run into. Do y'all see how much hair that is back there though? Wow, your girl really got hang time. Okay, we getting somewhere, and I feel like I'm low-key activating my Fred Sanford. Getting my Fred Sanford on. Ooh, good God almighty. Okay, so I finally got it all detangled, and this was all of the shedding or breakage that I experienced. Y'all, I am filming a TikTok, okay? So, follow me on TikTok. I'm just praying I don't come out with any bald spots. Okay, I look quite scary. If we're being honest, it's giving boo. I look crazy, but it's a process. I'm going to go wash this off my face, come back, and then we're going to get to relaxing this hair. So I haven't done this in a long time. I don't really know the rules, the do's or the don'ts. We going off vibes. Girl, this is just too many words for me to read right now. Okay, I really don't even feel like reading the rest of that, to be honest. All right, so it looks like I'm just supposed to mix this inside of this with this. I don't like the way that smells. It smells like lash glue. Wait, am I supposed to... Okay, girl, this is really not that hard. I don't know why I'm making it harder than what it needs to be. Before I even get started with this, y'all, I'm no professional. I'm a DIY diva, meaning I looked this shit up on YouTube and I'm trying it. Everything is from the local beauty supply store. Ain't no professional products. Like I said earlier, I'm just going off vibes. This is what it looked like so far. Now I'm about to put the oil in so I can anoint my head with Earl. All right, our final mix. Got my little Vaseline. About to base these edges, girl. I'm gonna put this all over my ear too. I'm kind of just doing the same steps I would do if I was bleaching my hair. Girl, I'm scared. Okay, got my little applicator brush. I'm doing it. I don't even think I'm gonna talk. I'm trying to figure out if this is gonna burn or not. Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this? Fire, fire. I don't know. I feel like it should have started working already, and it's definitely not. So I'm getting a little worried here. Girl, why is it not working? I'm scared. This is what I be seeing the hairstylists do. They be parting the hair. How long is this supposed to take to work? Because it's not doing anything. See, I just feel like I can get the product through better with my hands. All right, now I guess I'm going to go ahead and do the edges. Girl, this crap is not working. It better start doing something soon. By this point, it should already be a little bit straight, right? Is it turning straight? I really don't know. I'm really trying to make sure I get these edges good because these are the parts that's really going to be showing. Ooh, not my brow now. Hold on. Ooh, should I do my eyebrows? Nah, because my brows already grow slow. Yeah, I definitely think it's working now. But then again, who knows? Because obviously when your hair got all this product in it, you can comb through it. So I don't know. I low-key really want to do my eyebrows. Like laminate them. The only reason I'm scared is because my brows really grow slow, y'all. And I don't have the same attitude about my brows that I have with my hair. Like if my hair mess up, I'll just cut it off. But I don't want to just cut off my eyebrows. I want to one day, but today's not the day. So I guess I'm done. And I do feel a little tingle. But it's crazy because I've been scratching right here a lot. Like every 30 seconds, I be scratching at my edges and my hairline, but that's not burning at all. It's mainly burning like right here, and in the back. Okay, so it definitely does look straight now, but I still see some little waves in there. I want it to be like bone straight. So we'll see. The timer's about to go off. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I just hope it's cute, y'all. We'll see. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Just washed everything out. I'm not really sure how I feel. I don't feel like the edges processed long enough, but it's whatever. Let's go ahead and try to style this because I don't have no little wrap strips. All I got is gel, some foam, and a do-rag, and a little comb. So we're gonna see.
Twerking going on. Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl, everything that you're doing too. I did the way that you look at me. You did the way that I look at you. Bro, I don't gotta act like a gangster. You know, go. My better old stove, pot on the floor. As you know, I want no blue. Trying to work a chain, and that's a fact. Feel my name.
All right, so that's that. Try my best. We're gonna go ahead and get glam, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I'm not gonna turn around because it looked kind of crazy back there, but you get the vision. This was my first time ever doing all of this on my natural, well, this is not natural hair, girl, on my natural color relaxed hair. So cut me a little bit of slack, but I do feel like it came out really cute. I was on the fence at first. I think my face needs a part. That's just how I feel. I feel like it defines my face better, and I just feel like I need a part. So the next time I style this hair, I will be incorporating a part. But for this being my first time, I feel like I bodied it as best as I could, okay? But that's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Talk to me in the comments. Meet me down in the comments below. Thank y'all so much again, and I will see y'all in the next video.
If you just know you're that girl,
Yeah.
you just have no choice but to be that girl.
Mwah.
no balls.